Detailed summary of the chapter The Case of the Fifth Ward. This is a detective story featuring Encyclopedia Brown, a young and brilliant boy named Lero Brown, who often helps his father, Chief Brown, the head of the police in Idaville, solve challenging cases. Although Encyclopedia is just in 8th grade, he is extremely knowledgeable and observant. Because he reads a lot and remembers every fact, people call him Encyclopedia. The mysterious death. One Tuesday evening, while having dinner, Chief Brown looked worried and didn't touch his soup. Encyclopedia and his mother knew this meant he was struggling with a case. Chief Brown revealed that Tim Nolan, a man who was once suspected of being involved in a jewelry store robbery, had died of a stroke that morning. 5 years ago, two masked men had robbed the Diamond Mart and escaped with $1 million worth of jewelry. A clerk at the store had seen one of the robbers when his mask slipped and thought it was Tim Nolan, but she wasn't completely sure, so no arrest was made. Nolan had been living in Idaville and ran a small palm tree nursery that didn't make much money. The other suspect, Daniel Davenport, had been Nolan's friend from prison. He came to live with Nolan a week before the robbery and vanished right after it. Chief Brown always believed that Nolan and Davenport committed the robbery together and hid the loot to avoid getting caught. The will and the strange note. Before dying, Nolan had managed to leave a will on his kitchen table, leaving everything he owned, including his nursery, to Daniel Davenport. With the will, he also left a sheet from a desk calendar that had Davenport's name and address written on it, along with a strange four-word message: Nom Utes Sweden Hearts. Chief Brown and Mrs. Brown couldn't understand what the four words meant, so they turned to Encyclopedia. The code and the fifth word. Encyclopedia thought hard and asked one question: is there a young fir tree in Mr. Nolan's nursery? Chief Brown was surprised but confirmed there was one of the south side of the house. Then Encyclopedia explained the code, and the four strange words were based on the first 4 days of the week. Nom means Monday, removed day from the Monday and Mon and rearranged as Nom. And then Utis means Tuesday. Then Sweden means Wednesday, and the Hearts means Thursday. Ronan had used the calendar days, dropped the letters DAY from each, and scrambled the rest to form the four strange words. He stopped after 4, but the fifth word would have been Friday, which could be represented by the word fear. So this was the clue. Under the fifth word meant under the fir tree. Nolan had hidden the stolen jewelry in 20-gallon jug of earth beneath the young fir tree. The outcome. Encyclopedia's decoding of the message led the police straight to the hidden loot. Although Daniel Davenport had vanished for years, now that the will named him as the inheritor, he would likely return and be caught. Once again, Encyclopedia Brown solved a mystery that even the grown-ups couldn't figure out. Theme and message of the chapter. Intelligence has no age limit. Logic, attention to detail, and knowledge are key to solving problems. This story also shows the importance of observation and critical thinking. Sometimes, even the smallest clues, like a word puzzle, can lead to solving the biggest mysteries.